getting ready to start a refinish, and floor doesn't look like it's in great shape, but we will make it. Got some repairs here. So when Miss Linda put up the carpet, she didn't even know this was here, but it was probably from termite damage, but we're going to yank that out, put in the new wood. Over here is where she used to have the heater on both sides of the wall. Got to yank that out, fix it, and sand and finish everything. Well, here we are, not bad for a day's worth of work. Look at how difference. Got one little pet stain over there that didn't come out, but this house was built in the 1950s. Now the old wood just doesn't amber and age like the old. So you can see where the heater vent used to be. We took a lot of the old wood and mixed it in with the new wood for this really big patch. Remember that? It's not there anymore. Whew. Give us a call. We can make this happen. Hey guys, I am here with Miss Linda, Miss Lilia.
Hi.
Just finished Miss Linda's hardwood flooring. Actually, she was referred by Lilia, and Lilia, you found us on the internet, right?
Yes, I did.
So someone's gonna, after this video, they're gonna see the before and after videos. But so if somebody finds this on the internet, what would you tell them?
That you had 5 stars.
Brian is the best. He is wonderful. He knows his jobs. He did my house, and beautiful.
Yeah, we did
I'm
all
very
your,
happy.
we did all of them eventually.
All the wood, yes.
So, ladies, thank you so much.
And Lilia referred me to Brian, and I didn't even have to interview anyone else. I didn't have to get any other estimates. His prices were good. He gave me a discount because I was referred by Lilia.
Yep.
And I'm so happy. My hardwood floors from my house in 1953 that it was built was beautiful.
Oh, thank you guys. Thank you.
Okay, bye-bye.